Siphinde sikubingelele kwiKhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqala ungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukube ucofe ibhathini usubscribe kule channel and ushare lamavidiyo. I-structure esiphezulu se-MK Party sikulethela ama-updates azo zonke izinto ezenzakalayo nezenziwa behind the scene. Okwakho nje ukuthi ulalele lo msindo olandelayo.
This is Siyabonga Ngubo. By the way, I don't need to introduce myself because if I introduce myself, it means you don't know me. Siyabonga Ngubo lo. Ngithi nginibingelele ma-commanders, nginibingelele ma-qaedas, nginibingelele masosha. Ngithi good morning. Good morning ma-commanders. Cha, ngithi lana ke ngize nalolu daba lolu. Let me come and clarify certain things. And I'm gonna be trying to make sure that I cover for everyone. Ngizama ukuthi wonke umuntu ayizwe lento engifisa ukisho. I won't be long. I've said it before that I've been given a mandate and I've been restricted in terms of updating and giving information. But sometimes become difficult when people are coming on you looking for answers when you know what's going on. Ngiyazi ukuthi kunzinyana, but at the same time angikwazi ucompromise umsebenzi wami ku-MK. So ke ngizoba mfishane kakhulu. I will be very, very short. I won't consume much of your time. There are certain issues that I want to deal with. The first issue, it is the letter that was circulating this morning, which was due to the meetings of La Khutla, which took place over the weekend and on Monday. Incwadi le ebikade semhlanganweni omkhulu MK, siyazi ukuthi bekade kusempumalanga, ubaba kade engekho eseLimpopo, kwabuya kwaziwe eThekwini, bekunomhlangano. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi kephi ngoba zonke izinto lezo kufanele ngazisho ukuthi imhlangano ibanjelwapi kuyiwapi, la kuthathwa khona inqumo ezithile. Maybe first of all we need to understand that there's been a lot of leadership that has been resigning, including our national SG. Siyazi ukuthi kusule nongqondongqondo wethu okunobhala, and apart from that there's been a lot of leaders that has been resigning, and some of them have been moved. Abanye besula, abanye beshiya, including the conveners, including the organizers of the political party in their respective places. So the letter number one, it was not only addressed to KZN. Incwadi bingabhekile kuphela KwaZulu Natal, kodwa ibiya kona wonke ama-province. It was addressed to go in all provinces, and specifically there were issues which were taken into consideration that has to do with KZN. Kunezinto ezithile bekumele ichazwe ezithinta iKZN. So remember ukuthi when the interim structures was put into place, it was because we were preparing to go to the elections. So bonke abantu bebebekiwe ngokwezikhatla zesikhashana ingenxa bekulungisethu bekiwa okhethweni. And secondly, let us remember that there's been a lot of infiltration. There's a lot of people who came from other political parties and being part of which they caused havoc and disrupted the party, including in certain regions, sub-regions, and certain part of different provinces where people haven't been happy. Kunendawo nabantu esazi ukuthi bangene bengamagundwane, bangena bahlakaza umbutho, benza izinto ezinye zezinto thola ukuthi abantu abekho happy ngazo kwi-ground ngenxa yabantu abaziwayo ukuthi beze nenjongo zabo. And there's a lot of people who came in with power hungry, who were not in here to serve the purpose of the party, but they're here to serve their own interest. Abantu bebefuna ukuzenzela izinto ngokwabo, befuna ukwenza okuthinta bona kuphela, noma befuna amandla, bengafuni ukusiza abantu. And this has been the complaint which has been coming from the ground. This has been the complaint that has been coming from the qaedas, from the commanders. Especially some people, they use their power of influence in terms of monies they have, in terms of connection they have. We've seen that when people were taken into the legislators, there were challenges where people which were supposed to be on the list and they were not there. And there are some representatives which we don't see within those lists, within those matters of which they have to be dealt with. And I've already mentioned that with what we are doing behind the scene, of which it cannot be disclosed. I've explained. For those who doesn't not know, they will know. And there's an issue again of our people's mandate, which is our manifesto. Kuphinde kube nenkinga yokuthi kunabantu abafike ngamandla, befike ngeimali, befike ngokuthi bazobani benzani, abanye bengenawo umlando omuhle kodwa bayithola beyingxenye yokuba bayasebenza. So kuningi esingakubalula okuyiqiniso lokuthi izinto ayihambi kahle. So ke ukuze ngibe mfishane, ngosizathu sokuthi kunaba commanders nama comrade amanye awo angakabekwa ngokusemthethweni kodwa bese kuvelile kwi meeting ebesina kwi Lahotla ukuthi bazongena ekhaleni ethile, mhlambe nokubonakala nama signature angekho, but into ephuthumayo kuba ilungiswe leyo. And abanye bebekade bekwezinye indawo kulungiswe ezinye izinto kwangakwazi ukuba kwenzeka izinto, but khona nawe ukhona usekhaya uyalibona iqiniso lokuthi izinto bezingahambi kahle, bekunama complaint nabantu besithi baphethe, nabantu bethi bamisa ubuso ungasazi ukuthi ubani ophethe, ubani uconvener, ubani ucoordinator, ngenxa ukuthi bese kukuningi. So ke vele futhi nesikhathi sabo sesiphelile ngoba ukhetho luphelile, so kuphoqileke ukuthi ke akumiswe wonke umuntu. Vele kwakwazeka kwaseqena ukuthi emva kokhetho kuzomiswa abantu. This is something which was known from the beginning, that after like the elections, the next thing that needs to be concentrated on will be the elective conference, of which is what we are busy with behind the scene, to prepare the documents, to prepare everything that has to do with that, which is going to be announced in due time. When a core of the political party, or rather saying NEC, has come into an agreement. Mangabe sebefinyelele ezivumelwaneni labo kuyibona abasiphethe okuyi-core, kuyobeke sekufinyelele ezivumelwaneni ukuthi elective conference enzeka nini, okobe sekungena abantu. And another issue that people are failing to understand is that you don't worry about the list that went through the legislature, that went through the parliament, because remember that there are three arms here. There is the people that has been appointed to serve us politically in terms of legislators, in terms of the National Assembly. There are other areas, which is the NEC, as we have said, that the powers have been distributed. I'm busy. Okay, let me not say what I'm busy with, because ngizophinde futhi ngibizele kwi-disciplinary. But there are things that we are busy doing right now, which has to do with the separation of powers. We understand that ukuthi kunendaba yabantu abaserve parliament, then there's going to be administration, then there's going to be NEC, and then there's going to be business sectors, the businesses that are going to come within the political sphere. So also mabhizinisi abasebenza parliament kanjalo njalo. So amandla nekhala noma ngithi nama like appointment asemaningi kakhulu. So I think I've covered indaba yencwadi ukuthi that is legit. Now coming to the withdrawal, guys, we understand that DA came in and said they are the friends of the IEC, and we understand ukuthi lento ukuthi kuphucwe amandla noma ngithi kurojwe amavoti, vele izinto eziningi become azibi nawo amandla uma sizenza ngokwenkantolo nangokohulumeni wala, ngenxa ukuthi bonke basempedeni odwa bayaqhubeka nakho. So noma lokhu kungesiyona official statement, although this is not an official statement, but we understand that the political parties which have tried to swerve things for their own benefit and take MK out, so they will work tremendously, including that one of the things that was mentioned was that the court case is not going to stand, but what's going to happen is that they're going to reply on our issues. In other words, there was going to be no sitting of the case. There was going to be listening of the argument, but there will be no sitting, and then they will respond in terms of writing, in terms of besikhala ngakho. So bebezokubuyisa ngalokho. So the only hope that we have, it is the international court. So we still carry on siya international court, kuyayiwe enkantolo okuyiyona esibheka kakhulu ukuthi ithathe inqumo ngalukhetho. So ke ma commanders, ma comrade, let us fear not, let us stay vigilant, singasabi, singakhali. izinto zizokwenzeka akonakele lutho ukuthi u-MK uwithdrawile akusho ukuthi kuphela. It doesn't mean ukuthi it is the end of the world, but it means that we are 1, 2, 3 steps ahead. And again, as I've said, we are not allowed to say certain things because it would jeopardize the moves, because they will do what we call the counter attack. But more than all, I think I've painted the picture ukuthi kwenzakalani. Don't worry about the letter. The letter is true. Don't worry about the withdrawal. U-MK uyazi ukuthi wenzani amandla.